Hey guys, Hotel Elevator 1236 here. This is going to be my first elevator ride in 2021, of course. So yeah, this has been a crappy year. Some good things have happened, but the majority of this year is sucky. But this is my first elevator ride in the new year. Here we go. We're on the 6th floor. I'll give it a back view over here. And here's your cab view. And here's your indicator. Stopping. We might, I don't know. I guess they were just celebrating. Who knows? Well, anyways, here's your cab view. And here's the indicator. What?